Given the superior shock absorption characteristics of Action Floor Systems ProAction Thrust and ProAction Thrust LP sports floor systems, they are the ideal choice for high-performance applications such as premium basketball or volleyball venues. The ProAction Thrust systems feature dual-stage natural rubber ProAction pads that provide excellent shock absorption, superior ball bounce, and can be engineered to meet your performance expectations. Action Floor Systems ProAction Thrust and ProAction Thrust LP floor systems are the first and only standard plywood floating systems that are both EN, DIN certified, and FIBA approved. These systems provide the safety and performance factors desirable for all athletes. Using standard plywood system construction methods, the ProAction Thrust floor system utilizes 2 layers of full 4x8x15 32nd-inch 12mm plywood sheets, while the LP version uses 1 layer of 9mm and a layer of 12mm plywood. These systems are not compromised by kerfing or the use of lighter weight materials in their construction. The ProAction Thrust systems features 3/4-inch 19mm or 5/8-inch 16mm dual-stage natural rubber ProAction pads. First, the concrete slab is to be covered with 6mm polyethylene vapor barrier lapping edges and sealed. Dual-stage natural rubber ProAction pads shall be attached to the underside of the first layer of plywood. Place the first layer of plywood diagonal or perpendicular to the intended direction of the finished flooring. Fasten the second layer of plywood without pads at a 45-degree angle to the intended direction of the finished flooring. Allow approximately 1/4 inch or 6 millimeters between plywood panels at sides and ends, taking care to ensure that no joint in the second layer of plywood shall coincide with a joint in the first layer. Plywood layers are to be secured with a minimum of 32 1-inch or 25mm cleats or 15 to 16 gauge staples per sheet 12 inches or 300mm on center. Machine nail strip flooring into second layer of plywood parallel to the long dimension of the area. Allow for adequate expansion at regular intervals across the floor during installation according to the recommendations of the local Action Floor Systems flooring contractor. Provide 2-inch or 50mm expansion voids at perimeters and all vertical obstructions. Install vent cove base over perimeter voids and metal thresholds at doorways.